My name is Emily, and today I have a small mission to complete. The weather outside is a bit cold, so I want to take care of my health. I am walking to the local pharmacy near my school. I wear my bright yellow cardigan because it makes me feel happy. The door of the pharmacy opens with a quiet ding sound. Inside, the air is fresh and smells a little like mint and soap. Everything looks very clean, white, and perfectly organized on the shelves. I see a young man standing behind the tall glass counter. His name tag says Oliver, and he looks very professional today. He wears a white lab coat that is very neat and clean. I walk to the counter and wait for a second. Oliver looks up from his work and gives me a warm smile. I feel very comfortable because the atmosphere is peaceful and safe. Logic tells me that a good pharmacist is always ready to help. I am a proactive teacher, so I prepared a list of things I need. I have some tea, some bandages, and vitamins on my small paper. My brown eyes look around at the many colorful boxes on the walls. I am satisfied with the quality of the service in this place. Oliver asks me how he can help me this morning. His voice is calm, stable, and very polite to hear. I take my list out of my pocket and put it on the counter. I tell him that I feel a bit tired after a long week of teaching. I want something to help me feel more energetic and strong. He nods his head and starts to read my paper carefully. Every detail of the pharmacy is ultra clear and very high quality. I am Emily, and I am happy to find such a good specialist. We share a friendly moment of silence as he thinks. The light from the ceiling is bright and very pleasant. I feel very successful because I am taking care of myself. We are moving to talk about the best vitamins for me. Oliver looks at the shelf behind him and takes a blue box. He explains that these vitamins are very popular and high quality. I listen to him because I respect his professional mastery. He tells me that I should eat more fruit and drink water too. Logic says that vitamins are good, but a healthy diet is better. I am satisfied with his honest and helpful advice today. Everything looks organized and very logical in his explanation. I ask him if these vitamins have any sugar or artificial colors. He checks the back of the box and tells me the ingredients. I am a proactive student of life, so I ask many questions. My wavy brown hair moves as I nod my head in understanding. Oliver is very patient and answers every single question I have. I feel a lot of positive energy from his kind behavior. The pharmacy is quiet, and I can hear the rain on the window. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly flow of our talk. He shows me another box with orange and lemon flavors. These vitamins are for the immune system, and they smell very good. I decide to take the second option because I love citrus fruits. Oliver says it is a very good and logical choice for the spring. Every second of our conversation is useful and very interesting. I am Emily, and I feel more confident about my health now. I also need some herbal tea to help me sleep better at night. He points to a section with many different types of dried plants. There is chamomile, lavender, and many other beautiful flowers. I am satisfied with the variety of high-quality products here. Everything in this Disney-style world feels bright and colorful. I choose the lavender tea because it has a very soft aroma. Oliver puts the items together on the counter near the register. I am satisfied with the proactive and fast service he provides. We are moving to write the final instructions for me. Oliver takes a small yellow sticky note and a black pen. He writes down exactly when I should take my new vitamins. 1 tablet after breakfast every morning, Emily, he says. I am satisfied with this clear and very helpful instruction. He sticks the note on the top of the vitamin box. Logic tells me that following the rules is important for health. I am a proactively thinking woman, so I repeat the rule to him. He smiles and says that my memory is very sharp and good. I feel a lot of creative inspiration to stay healthy and active. My yellow cardigan looks bright against the white counter today. The atmosphere is full of mutual respect and very quiet joy. Every detail of his handwriting is neat and very easy to read. I also ask for some simple bandages for my small first aid kit. He finds a box of waterproof bandages that are very high quality. Everything is becoming organized in my small shopping bag. I am Emily, and I feel very successful with my shopping. Oliver tells me a funny story about a man who wanted a cat medicine. We both laugh, and the pharmacy feels even more friendly. I am satisfied with the stable and positive energy of this moment. The rain is stopping, and a little bit of sun appears outside. I see the reflections of the bottles in the polished glass counter. Everything looks ultra-detailed and very beautiful in this light. I believe that a small talk can make a simple errand very special. I am satisfied with the quality of the communication we share. Oliver is a very mastery pharmacist with a very kind heart. He checks if I need anything else for my school or my home. I say that I have everything on my list for today. He starts to scan the products with a small red laser light. I take my credit card out of my small brown wallet. We are moving to finish the payment and say goodbye. The cash register makes a friendly beep sound for every item. I see the total price on the small digital screen in front of me. Logic says that high-quality health products are a good investment. I am satisfied with the price because the service was excellent. I put my card near the machine, and it makes a happy sound. Everything is fast, organized, and very modern in this pharmacy. Oliver takes a small paper bag with a red cross on the side. He puts the vitamins, the tea, and the bandages inside carefully. Here is your receipt and your bag, Emily, he says politely. I am satisfied with the proactive and neat way he packs my things. I feel very energetic and ready to return to my teaching work. My brown eyes see the sun shining on the floor of the shop. I thank Oliver for his time, his advice, and his great humor. He tells me to have a wonderful day and to stay very healthy. I am Emily, and I feel like I have a new friend in this street. The atmosphere is very stable, safe, and full of positive vibes. I take the bag and feel the weight of my new healthy items. Every detail of this visit was high quality and very pleasant. I walk towards the door and look back one last time. Oliver is already helping another person with the same kind smile. I am satisfied with the stable and mastery way he does his job. I step out of the pharmacy and breathe the fresh, clean air. The street is wet, but the sky is becoming blue and bright. I feel very lucky to live in a place with such good people. My yellow cardigan is a little bit damp from the rain before. I believe that every small errand is a part of our big story. I am a proactively thinking woman who values her health. I start to walk towards the school with a big, happy smile. My heart is light, and my bag is full of good things. We are moving to the final thoughts of my morning trip. I am walking through the park on my way back to my house. The trees are green, and the flowers look fresh after the rain. I am satisfied with the quality of the air in the city today. I think about the instructions Oliver wrote on my sticky note. I want to be a healthy and energetic teacher for my students. Logic tells me that taking care of myself helps me to help others. I am a proactive person, so I plan my breakfast for tomorrow. I will have some oatmeal, an orange, and my new vitamin. Everything looks organized and very positive in my mind today. I see a group of children playing with a ball near the fountain. Their laughter is loud and very joyful in the quiet park. I am Emily, and I love seeing people happy and full of life. My wavy brown hair is dry now, and I feel very comfortable. I am satisfied with the stable and peaceful rhythm of my day. The small paper bag in my hand is a symbol of my self-care. I believe that simple daily tasks can be very beautiful and real. Every second of my walk is ultra-detailed and full of colors. I see a small cat sitting on a wooden fence, watching the birds. The world is a very interesting and high-quality place to be. I am satisfied with the friendly interaction I had at the pharmacy. Oliver is a great example of a person who loves his profession. I want to be just as professional and kind in my classroom. I feel a lot of creative inspiration for my next English lesson. I will teach my students some words about health and medicine. Every detail of my plan is logical, mastery, and very useful. I am satisfied with the proactive way I spend my free time. The sun is warm on my back as I reach my street corner. I am a happy woman with a very clear and stable goal. I am almost at my front door, and I feel very successful. We are moving to the evening at my cozy home. I am sitting in my favorite armchair near the big window. The evening is quiet, and the stars are starting to appear. I have a hot cup of my new lavender tea in my hands. The aroma is very soft, sweet, and absolutely high quality. I am satisfied with the peaceful atmosphere in my living room. My yellow cardigan is on the chair, and I wear a warm blanket. I look at the blue vitamin box on the table next to me. Every detail of the day was perfect, from the pharmacy to the tea. Logic says that a good rest is the final part of a healthy day. I am Emily, and I feel very stable, calm, and very happy. I am satisfied with the proactive choices I made for my body. I think about Oliver and his white lab coat and his gray eyes. I hope everyone finds such a helpful person when they are sick. The tea makes me feel very relaxed and ready for a deep sleep. Everything feels high quality, real, and very mastery in this life. I am a proactively thinking teacher who enjoys her simple life. My brown eyes are closing slowly as I listen to the silence. My story about the visit to the pharmacy ends with a smile. I feel very successful because I have everything I need now. Tomorrow is a new day, and I will be full of energy and joy. I am satisfied with the quality of the small things in my world. The stars are bright, and the moon is a beautiful white circle. I believe that being healthy is the best gift we can give ourselves. I am Emily, and I am thankful for this beautiful and quiet day. Every second of this evening is a high-quality memory for me. I put my cup on the table and prepare for my night rest. The pharmacy was a great discovery, and Oliver was a great guide. I am satisfied with the stable and friendly connection we had. Good night, City, and stay healthy and happy every single day. I am ready for the new dreams and the new healthy morning.
Write one English word in comments. 5 people get 10 English lessons free.